Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is ClickUp payment failed 2026. There can be several common reasons. Insufficient funds. Your card or account does not have enough balance to complete the payment. Incorrect payment details. Wrong card number, expiry date, CVV, or billing info can cause failure. Bank restrictions. Your bank may block online or international transactions for security reasons. Expired or inactive card. An invalid or expired card will not be accepted. Payment gateway issues. Temporary issues with the payment processor can interrupt the transaction. Security or fraud checks. Unusual activity may be flagged and declined automatically. Subscription or billing issues. Problems with renewal, invoices, or plan changes can cause errors. Currency or region limitations. Some payment methods may not be supported in certain locations. If the issue continues, verify your details, try another payment method, or contact ClickUp support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.